Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering Knowledge YouTube channel. Our today's lecture is about how to find bricks quantity in a wall and how to find cement and set required for a mortar. So this is our wall, 9 inches thick. This is our wall, 9 inches thickness, 15 inches of height, 15 foot of height and 30 foot of length. Now move further into the lecture. So first of all we have to find the volume of wall. You know the size of the wall, length is 13 foot, 15 foot is the height and 9 inches is the thickness. So volume of wall is equal to 33755.5 CFT. This is the total volume of wall. This also includes the percentage of mortar. So suppose we have percentage of mortar required is 25%. Not in all cases, but in this cases I have taken 25% of mortar. So we will deduct the mortar 25% divided by 100 into 337.5 CFT is equal to 84.375 CFT. This is the CFT of mortar required in this brickwork. Now subtract the volume of mortar from the brickwork to gain the net brickwork. So we will take this volume here, 337.5 CFT minus this 84.375 CFT is equal to 253.125 CFT. This is the volume without mortar. We have deducted the mortar. Now move further. So now we have net brickwork. Net brickwork means brickwork without mortar. So 253.125 CFT is net brickwork. Number of bricks is equal to, this is the formula for finding number of bricks, net brickwork divided by volume of one brick. So what is the volume of one brick, or how to find what is the standard sizes of one brick? You know that standard size of brick is 9 inches into 4.5 inches into 3 inches. So 0.75 into 0.375 into 0.25 here. So 0.75 is into 0.375 into 0.25. I have converted inches into the feet. Remember, always convert inches into the feet for the calculation. So we find number of bricks. Number of bricks is 3600 numbers. Remember, there must be some kind of wastage. So it could vary from 6% to 10%. So I have taken 10% as a wastage factor. So here 10% divided by 100 into 3600 is equal to 360 numbers. So we will add 360 to 3600 numbers bricks. So we have 3960 numbers of total brick. We need this to construct this type of wall. So here is the actual amount of numbers of bricks we need. Now calculate cement and sand. We already know volume of mortar, which is 84.375 CFT. Ratio of mortar I have taken is 1:3. It varies side to side, like I have taken 1:3. Sum of ratio 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Remember, before finding the quantity we must sum of ratio. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. It is the important part of finding the quantity of materials. So look at here. So find cement. Cement is 1 into 84.375 is the weight material quantity. Remember, we have find the weight material quantity divided by 4. So if we have wet material quantity, you know that wet material quantities should convert into dry material. So to convert into dry material, we will multiply it into 1.27. So here we get, if all this calculation, here we get to 6.789 CFT. You know that one volume bag CFT is 1.25. So here you have to divide it with 1.25. So number of bags is found, 21.43 bags. So now we find sand. Sand ratio is 3 times the cement. So it's simple. You have find CFT for the cement. You have to multiply it with number of sand. 6.789 into 3 times. So here we have 80.367 CFT of sand. So in this lecture, what we have learned? We have learned how to find number of bricks. Number of bricks is 3,960 numbers. Number of cement bags is 21.43 bags, and quantity of sand is 80.367 CFT. Please like our video, subscribe our channel if you are new, and share it with friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon. So it's Engineer Abdurrahman signing off for today. Thank you.